YouTube, welcome to my channel, Smiles Pig Allen. How is everybody? Hope you're all feeling above average. I'm sure you are. So today we're on with a bit of a special vlog today. I'm going over to the Yonderman cafe up over in Buxton. Just arriving into Derbyshire now, so about 24 minutes away. I'm meeting the famous YouTubers Crazy Legs on a Bike and Fasty Rides. So yeah, I'm just having a ride over to Yonderman Cafe and go for a bit of a spin with him. Yeah, so Crazy Legs on a Bike, he's got a lot of videos on. If I were you, go over and check his channel out. He's got some really good vlogs. Jay, they call him. And then we've got Fasty Rides, who's been doing it, I don't know, it's 12 month-ish. I'm not sure, he might correct me on that, might be a bit longer. He's got a fair few followers. I think he's just hit 400, so you know, go over and subscribe to their channels as well, after you've subscribed to mine if you haven't already. So yeah, I thought today I'd bring the old, when we're going for quite a long ride, I thought I'd get old Blue Thunder out and bring it out for a bit of a bez. It's bloody cold today. It's supposed to be tough up north, like, you know, we can take it, but I'm freezing my nads off, I swear down. Right, so we're just coming into Bamford and Castleton. So yeah, roads are really greasy, so I am taking it quite easy today. A part of me is wishing I'd have come on Little Thumper, because with it being light, and you know, as soon as I took this out of the shed I noticed different straight away. I've not moved it for a bit, for a few months, but it's 6 months in fact, last time I was out on this, the old Blue Thunder. But she's a 1200cc beast, so you know, she goes some, does lass. When you're chucking at carrots, she does go some. Oh, is that sunshine I see? Right, little house up prairie country this, isn't it? 30 mile an hour now, going into Bamford. Eyes are watering. My visor's steamed up. My glasses are digging into my ears. But it's great, it's all fun. Don't matter, does it? I'm out on the old beast. Look at them hills, wow. If you can see them, but it's beautiful, nice weather this place. Tell you something, Jay, talk about every day's an adventure. Friggin' hell, I'm freezing my titties off.
You'll win somehow, so give up on the bottom, baby. It's hard, I know. Let the music take over, baby. I know your doubts, but it's wide open ocean, baby. Let sun pour down. We can dance in the light, oh baby. Heartbreaker, dream maker, let go of your problems and look at all your smiling friends. Jailbreaker, earthquaker. Don't you know you can settle for more? Don't you know you can settle for more? Don't you know you can settle for more? Don't you know you can settle for more?
Just there, I think. We've made it over to the Yonderman Cafe, and we've got Crazy Legs on a Bike, Jay. And we've also got Fasty Rides. So I'm out for a ride with him today. They're going to look after me and take it easy. And I'm here on my Royal Enfield Himalayan. No, I'm only kidding. I'm on the BMW. Listen at them engines there. Oh, he's off his Fasty. We're only going steady, he said. So we've got Fasty Rides in front, and behind is Crazy Legs on a Bike. The reason I'm in the middle is because these two guys are hooked up to comms, and unfortunately I've not got comms on my bike, so on my helmet rather, so but I'm going to buy one in case well, I will be coming out with these lads again because they're cracking guys, pair of them. We've just had a nice breakfast in Yonderman and a good old chat. It was great, honestly. But Fasty's a bit up and handed with his throttle, as you can see. But I'm not here to break any records. It's nice and easy, nice steady ride. It's not as cold as it first was. Temperature seems to have risen a little bit and sun's shining, so it's a bit of a bonus. I recommend the Yonderman Cafe as well if you ever have a Buxton way on. Look at that there. You know, it's like being on Isle of Man TT, is this? You know, mountain section. Ah, brilliant. It's so surreal, is this? It's like being at TV, you know, because I'm used to watching these guys on YouTube. As we're now, I'm riding with them. Crazy. Fasty's going for it.
You'll win somehow, so give up on the bottom, baby. It's hard, I know. Let the music take over, baby. I know your doubts, but it's wide open ocean, baby. Let sun pour down. We can dance in the light, oh baby. Heartbreaker, dream maker, let go of your problems and look at all your smiling friends. Jailbreaker, earthquaker. Don't you know you can settle for more? Don't you know you can settle for more? Don't you know you can settle for more? Don't you know you can settle for more?
Road seemed to be a bit drier than the one when I was coming over. I can't stop thinking it's as mental as this. I feel like I'm sat watching my telly, but I'm not. Oh, crazy. It's mega. I need to do this more often with these lads. It's what it's about, getting about with people. It's weird because I feel like I know them because I've been watching the channels for that long. I've watched probably both of them, the videos all the way through. Oh, and he's off. Where is he? Where's he gone? Oh, he's there. Careful on places like this, you know, for ramblers. I know probably they're going to come off a lot worse than we would, but still, what's same to make a mess, won't it? Look at this. Look at that. You can see that. Wow. Look at that.
Come back up. It's a nice wheelie opportunity.
He's off him, isn't it?
That's why it's called Fasty Rides.
John McGuinness.
And then when I come off, it'll be Fasty Slides. That rock face up there?
Yeah.
There's like little caves in it and stuff.
Yeah.
Like you can go sit in, well, if you're a climber,
Yeah.
unlike us.
It's beautiful, isn't it? Look at this. Stanage Edge. Oh, my wife's going to be so jealous. Look at this beast on a fast, is there? This month.
He's a model.
What, for Levi?
Not to be. He's a model for feet moisturiser.
Well, you know that bloke in 80s, don't you, that you picture him in black and white holding them two tyres like that? That's me.
Oh, is that you?
So I said to women, well, what I used to say to women before I was married. Ah, yeah. Yeah.
Just make sure your camera's not rolling or anybody else's.
I'd just like to thank these two lads because I've had a fantastic day. Fasty Rides and Crazy Legs on a Bike. Look at that beast, eh? Hey? Had a fantastic day. We just had a nice cup of coffee in, I don't know what to name it, pub, but it's in Home Firth, just coming out of Home Moss. And it's home time because it's going to be dark in half an hour. Cheers, mate. Fasty's just turned off now and going home. Me and Crazy's heading up through Home Firth. Yeah, brilliant, honestly. Absolutely fantastic day. Thank you, Jay, as well, mate. I've had a brilliant day, mate. Honestly, it's been fantastic. Thank you.
Great to meet you anyway. It's nice to put a name to your face.
Yeah.